Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with your weekly updates. So, I think we're just going to call this the Greek week because Greece has certainly dominated the marketplace with news and information and certainly caused the markets to move up and down. So, let's just get right to it. Monday, mortgage-backed securities were on the plus side. And so just remember that when mortgage-backed security prices go up, mortgage rates go down. So mortgage rates will do opposite of whatever mortgage-backed security pricing is doing. So when investors are nervous, money comes out of stocks and goes into bonds. And as money goes into bonds, the prices go up and it causes mortgage rates to go down. When investors are not nervous, money leaves the bond market and goes into stocks. The opposite happens, and that's what causes mortgage rates to go up. So on Monday, mortgage-backed securities were on the plus side. And, I think a lot of this was still from the employment reports that came out the prior week. Very dismal employment reports for the month of June. As we said, we had over 400,000 people that left the labor force and also had a downward revision of 60,000 jobs from the prior month. So just a dismal employment report. And then also over the weekend, we had Greece's vote, and the citizens of Greece voted no to a referendum. So certainly all these items just making investors skittish and looking for a flight to quality and investing in bonds. Tuesday, markets were still nervous. Greek people were told that if they voted no to the referendum, that they'd have a deal put together within 48 hours. Tuesday was approaching that 48-hour mark and no deal was on the table. So certainly still causing some nervousness there. On the home front, we had some great news on Tuesday, though. CoreLogic gave us some data on the housing market on a national level. And May of 2015 in comparison to May of 2014, home appreciation was up 1.7%. So very good on a national level to see home appreciation just solid and consistent now month after month. Wednesday this week, mortgage-backed securities were pointing higher. Still, stocks were pointing lower. A lot of this had to do with the influence of China in the markets. China is the world's second largest economy. Certainly a lot of issues in their stock markets over the last couple of weeks, and just investors facing concerns that they may have some difficult times in the future. Investors not liking it and certainly pulling money out of stock markets. This week was just whipsaw in the markets. Prices just going up and down based on all this economic information. Thursday was a huge reversal from Wednesday. Stocks are rebounding and just kind of on the ease of concerns of China's issues. China's financial markets really starting to stabilize, and investors just kind of taking a sigh of relief that China's financial markets were starting to rebound there. And certainly since we have so much business that's involved with China and on a global level, just starting to see a sigh of relief there. And then today, stocks are rallying, mortgage-backed securities giving up their gains. Once again, Greece in the headline, imagine that. And right now, it's all about the proposal. So late last night, Greece presented their proposal, and their proposal was on how to cut spending, creating a collection of taxes, and also working on the pensions. But what's really ironic is that the proposal they put together was almost the same deal that was offered to them on June 26th. So go figure. So the next step is for Parliament to vote. And once Parliament votes, if they do accept it, then they have to get confirmation from the creditors that they will accept this referendum as well. So looking positive, fingers crossed that they work this out. I think that everyone wants to keep Greece in the Eurozone just for many different financial reasons, and hopefully this works out. And certainly it would be really nice to do some weekly updates here and not have to talk about Greece and talk about some other things. So we'll see what happens there. I will be around all weekend. If you have any questions, give me a call. I will be traveling a little bit, so please call me on my cell phone. Certainly would love to be part of your business and help your buyers with their pre-approvals. Have a great day.